Who did the one before him? Huh? Who did the one before him?
No, we can't tell.
Nah, chill, we can't tell you because you're gonna be with a
Yeah,
psycho.
we can't tell it. You're gonna know the hits and the feelings and the swings and the.
Nice.
Somebody crunched my neck right there, though. Shit's him! Oh my God! I knew it was that. Hey, hold up. Why all my music so turned up, though?
Can we show a little decency and form a neat single file line in front of the register?
Oh, hurry up!
No! You really thought it was
That was somebody's strongest. Like my neck, like literally, God.
No!
My strongest.
So why'd you say Kai?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, my head is ringing, bro.
It is?
That's a lot of head.